Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 30, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. Column C, 8th row and 9th row. We have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 4th row and 4th grade. We have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 8. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row, sixth row, column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the 12 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column G, column F, we have pair numbers 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 3 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 7, 2 and 3. That 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Ninth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 5. Fifth row, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Second grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Fifth row, sixth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Second grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column G we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, 7th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 3. 7th row we have 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 5th row we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 5, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Third row and 4th row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 4th row we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 9th row, 10th row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 10th row we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row and 10th row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 10th row we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 8th row, 9th row we have 4, column J also we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 7th grade, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 9th row, we already have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column J, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column I, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Second row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Second row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Second row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.